Hello friends, Megan here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm a holistic licensed esthetician, and if you're new here, welcome. So this video is for Hannah. She requested showing how to do targeted facial massage for nasolabial folds as well as lifting the cheeks. So let's get started. I'll be using my mom's Earthed Skin Co. Shea Butter. This is all organic. It's handmade in Idaho, and my mom's been a skincare formulator for over 20 years now. I'm also going to take my rings off here. Okay, so rubbing this beautiful organic shea butter together just to give some nice slip. So for targeted nasolabial fold massage, you really want to start here on the sides of the nose in circular motions. This is an anti-aging point here on either side of your nose. It also helps to relieve sinuses, which is a bonus. And this is where a lot of the tension for the upper lip starts. Using both hands and fingers, starting at this point, you're just gently melting into that tissue and pulling it away. Again, this is with a little bit of that shea butter to give my skin slip. And then I'm doing like a myofascial massage, which helps to go into the connective tissue, and then I'm gently stretching it and creating a tensile force, which ultimately helps to relieve adhesions in that connective tissue. This is something that you can do daily for a few minutes a day. If you have really deep nasolabial folds, this is wonderful. If you have light nasolabial folds, this is wonderful. Also, another tool you can use is the gua sha. I have plenty of videos on how to use a gua sha in the nasolabial fold section. Okay, continuing on. Just gently pulling apart and going to the other side. Make sure you have enough slip. The shea butter is nice because it is like butter. It just melts into the skin. And just imagine like you're doing a deep tissue massage on your face. That's really all this is. Now there is a point here on either side of your mouth that connects all of these muscles, and it's called the modiolus. If you find that yours is quite large or it feels like kind of a lump, just sit there and work into it for a few minutes. And it's slow, lovely work. Okay. Now you've got your depressors down here, your mentalis muscles. You're more than welcome to do those as well to help relieve any tension that may be connected to this fold right here. You can also do, the lip massage. It looks crazy, but it feels good, and it's actually very effective for bringing blood circulation. Blood circulation carries nutrients to the skin, and a lot of times this is an area that you would never really think about touching. Okay, and you can just do some tensile stretches on top of the lip just to smooth everything out. And take your time. You don't have to go fast with this. Also, if you have developing smoker's lines or you feel like this area is just tense, really just take your time. And in this case, you would not use any product on the skin. You're just gonna wait for a second until your fingers warm up the tissue, and then you're gonna go along, supporting with your other hand. You're gonna go along like this. Okay? So now really getting into this, you can use your knuckles, lifting from the corners of the mouth up to that zygomatic ridge. And I'm just letting the natural gravity do its work. Lifting and toning everything. This is lifting the cheeks, And you can hold here, take some deep breaths. You might feel some pain, a little bit of tension. Just breathing into that. If you have fresh fillers in your face, this is not recommended. I have the philosophy it's either or, so it's either face massage or fillers, not both. Okay, and also fillers migrate, so it's nothing that I would ever recommend to anyone. MRIs have been proven to show that, you know, fillers migrate through the face. So just keep that in mind if that's something that you're considering. So after doing your knuckle lifts, you're going to be taking the palms of your hands and we'll be lifting this way in large circular motions. You're lifting up, releasing, lifting up, releasing, lifting up, releasing, lifting up, releasing. You never want to put pressure going down in this case. The other thing is going like this. This is called the youth lift line, right along this edge here. And doing an effleurage, you can do firm pressure, working your way up, getting that blood circulation to come in. Go all the way up to your temple and see how that feels. This is a great way for me to connect with my nervous system, to help myself relax, take some deep breaths. Okay, so I'm already feeling more calm. My skin looks more lifted. I have the dreaded jowls, unfortunately. I just turned 40 and it's something that really bothers me, but I definitely tackle it with holistic modalities. I do, you know, of course, the facial massage, the gua sha, lymphatic drainage, and since this is a structural issue related to my genetics, I'm able to know how to target it to remove those jowls in the most graceful and peaceful way without surgery. It's amazing what you can do with face massage and gua sha and face yoga. This is probably my all-time favorite. Okay guys, one last move that I think could be helpful for you is starting here on the corners of your nose, right? You've got your thumbs on either side, working into the zygomatic bone, underneath the zygomatic bone. So starting with your thumbs on either side of the nose and using pressure going out underneath that zygomatic bridge. Oh, that's tight. There's some definite pressure in there. Going really slowly. This is going to help release the connective tissues there and lift and tone, and also release some of that masseter pain. You've got your masseter muscles here on the sides that hold a lot of tension. So using your knuckles, if you want a deeper massage, going up and down. You can do it with your mouth open if that feels good. My right side is so tight, it's crazy. But this is a wonderful massage movement. Deeply relaxing, extremely effective. And you're just following that line of the bone there. Okay guys, I hope that this video was helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys again soon. Take care.